So I make things that I don't need out of plastic that cost money that I could be saving. And let me tell you why it's the smartest thing I do. So I just printed this glowing T-virus out, and this metal duck, and these cubes. And neither one of these things pays my bills. The reason I'm doing that is MatterHackers sent me over some PLA to test, and so I'm printing out some random things to test out. Now, I've got these two silk items here. I've got my Dr. Doom, and I've got just a metal duck. The Dr. Doom was printed in the silk PLA. My H2S is printing the MatterHackers silk PLA out right now. And this is the silk PLA that, I just tried out this little duck. And this guy printed out rather nice. Every time I get a failed print, it's a lesson in problem solving under constraints. You've got to learn how material behaves under stress, why one setting works when another doesn't, and how to iterate when something breaks. And the debugging process doesn't just show up here, it shows up everywhere else I'm building. When code isn't working, when a business decision falls flat, when I'm figuring out why a rental property isn't performing, it applies across the board. And the moment when you stop exploring random things is when you start dying professionally. Your brain gets comfortable and stops asking questions. And then it just accepts things for what they are rather than asking what could they be. I see it with people who have been stuck in the same job for years and years. They stop learning and they stop experimenting. And when change comes, they're stuck. And the skills that I learned and use making these useless glowing props and stuff to hang on the wall are the same ones that I use to optimize my rental properties. It's really not about 3D printing. It's about maintaining the habit of figuring things out. Because when you're juggling family and multiple businesses and multiple hobbies, curiosity keeps you sharp. It doesn't just keep you busy. It keeps your mind moving. So curiosity isn't just a luxury that happens when life gets busy. It's what keeps you adaptable when everything else changes. So what are some of those things that you're curious about? Drop it down in the comments below. I'm genuinely interested in what everybody else is working on or what that one thing that keeps you interested is. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, sub for more. And yeah, happy printing.